by, I would like you to taste these amazing chicken nugs.
Cool, I'm game.
Now, this is from a company called Simulate Chicken, and to me, it's a new company to me. I'm not familiar with them.
I'm not either.
I found them at Walmart, and I tasted them, and I thought they were the best chicken nuggets I had tasted.
The best vegan chicken nuggets, or plant-based chicken nuggets.
That's what I meant. Anyway, Walmart in my area is discontinuing them because they didn't sell fast enough. So I went online and I went to this website, and they said that these are primarily available at Kroger's, at Trader Joe's, and also for the Kroger stores. It seems like the stores in and around Columbus, Ohio are the primary carriers of this brand. It is worth hunting them out, but we're going to let Emily be the judge of that. Also, the company will ship them to you on dry ice, and I was happy to read that when they send that to you, they will tell you how to dispose of your dry ice.
How are you going to cook them?
I'm going to cook them in my air fryer. You can bake them, you could actually fry them, but I have a Ninja fryer. This tray goes with it, so we will be putting them in there. And once they're finished, we'll do that taste test right in front of you.
Let's get them cooking.
Okay, we're back. They are very hot. They're nice and crispy. We've got ketchup and barbecue sauce. Emily, I'm going to let you go first.
All right.
I know I like them.
I'm all about ketchup on stuff like this. That is very realistic texture. It looks real.
Now, I would serve these just with ketchup, barbecue sauce, or mustard. However, they would make a great chicken sandwich. You know, you could do something like a Parmesan with them as well.
Easy.
And in fact, this company makes some that they call discs instead of patties. However, those are only available in Columbus, Ohio.
And try some barbecue sauce. This is definitely a suitable substitute. Very good.
I think vegans and non-vegans could easily eat those.
We just wanted to let you guys in on this new product that we found. Anytime we find something that we really like, we want to share it with you guys. Thanks for stopping by.
See you next week.